I want to give you a couple quick tips on how to inflate your life jacket. Inflatable life jackets are a great, lightweight alternative to use an inherently buoyant life jacket for those over the age of 16. Inflatables can be automatic or manual. An automatic inflates when it's submerged in water. Manual-only inflatables are inflated by pulling the cord. Both can be inflated by using the mouthpiece, which is also how you deflate your life jacket after use. Make sure you're a strong swimmer and capable of treading water if choosing this kind of life jacket. Before using your inflatable life jacket, always check the service button is green. If it's red, it's a no-go. Red indicates the CO2 cartridge needs to be replaced. Next tip, you'll always need to replace the CO2 cartridge after inflation on both manual and automatic inflatables. Don't worry though, it's super easy to do this. Many models allow you to unscrew the used cartridge and screw in the replacement. Please double check the owner's manual. Now, double check that the service button has turned green. By doing this, you're ensuring the cartridge was properly screwed on. If you never inflated your inflatable life jacket, test it before heading out on the water so you know how it works. Once you've done all this, you're good to go. Remember, whatever style of life jacket you choose, make sure you wear it. Stowed life jackets won't help you in an emergency. You can always learn more at safeboatingcampaign.com.